Hello friends, welcome to my channel Eccentric Learning. I hope you have gone through my previous videos, and the last video which I made was on how to find the square root. If you haven't seen the videos till now, the link has been given in the description box. Please go through it. And if you like the videos, then do subscribe my channel and also share with your friends. In today's video, we are going to see how we can calculate the cube root of numbers given to us. But before that, we need to know the cube of some numbers. For example, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 11 cube is 1331, 16 cube is 4096, 13 cube is 2197, and so on. Or indirectly, we can say that cube root of 2197 is nothing but 13. In a similar way, we can say that cube root of 4096 is nothing but 60. So now let us try to find the cube root of the number 9261. So we can find the cube root of this 9261 by following two methods. The first one is the factorization method, in which we need to find the factors of this number. And the second one, I'll be showing you a shortcut way how to find the cube root of numbers. So let us first try to see the factorization method. So if you see here 9261, so I need to find the factors of this number. So if you see here, this number, the addition of this digits of this number is 9 plus 2 plus 6 plus 1. So that is 18. So we can say that since the sum of the digit is divisible by 3, so the whole number will be divisible by 3. So let us try to divide it by 3. So that's 3 3s are 9. Then we have 0 here. Then 3 8s are 24. 3 7s are. Now again, if you see 3087 is divisible by 3. So we can say this is 3 1 0, 3 2s are 6, and 3 9s are 27. Again, this will be divisible by 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, and 3 3s are 9. So again, 343 will be divisible by 7. So this will be 7 4s are 28, and 7 9s are 63. So this is 7 times of 7. So we can say that 9261 is nothing but 3 cube times of 7 cube. So now when we are going to take the cube root of this number, this would be simply the cube root of 3 cube times of 7 cube, which is nothing but 3 times of 7, which is 21. So that means the cube root of the number 9261 is nothing but 21. Okay, so now let us try to find the cube root of this number 9261 using the shortcut method. So for that, I need to take 3-digit numbers from the right hand side. So this will be 261, and here it is 9. So if you look here closely, so the unit digit of this number is 1. So I can say that the cube root of this number will contain the unit digit as 1. Why? Because 1 cube is 1, and that's the only perfect cube number which gives us the unit digit as 1. And rest of the numbers, if you see here, this is 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is the unit digit is 7, 4 cube the unit digit is 4, and so on. So 261, I can say that the unit digit of the cube root of this number would be nothing but 1. Now, if you look at the next numbers, so this is 9 here. So now, if you see here, 2 cube is 8, and 3 cube is 27. So we can say that this 9 lies between 2 cube and 3 cube. So you need to take the lower number of this. So this is 2. So we can say that I need to put here 2. So the cube root of 9261 is 21. Okay, so now let us try to take one more number of which we are going to find the square root. So let us take this 50653. So I hope you would be able to find the cube root of this number using the factorization method, where we need to simply find the factors of this number. So let us try to use the shortcut way. So again, let us try to club 3 digits from the right hand side. So this is 653, and this is 50. So here the unit digit is 3. So we need to find the cube of such number in which the unit digit we get is 3. So if you look here, we get the unit digit 3 as in 7 cube. So we can say that the unit digit of the cube root of this number will contain 7. Now again 50. So this 50, if you look here, so I know that 3 cube is 27, and this 50 lies between 3 cube and 4 cube. So this is 27 less than 50, which is less than 4 cube, 64. So we can say that the lesser number less than 50 would be 3. So we can say that the cube root of 50653 is 37. Okay, so now let us try to find the cube root of these two numbers. So the first one here is 804357. So again, we'll apply the same shortcut method. So if we try to take 3 digits from the right hand side, this would be 357, and here the unit digit is 7. So I need to see the cube of which number contains the unit digit as 7. And here, if you look, this is 3 cube is 27. So I can say that the cube root of this number will contain the unit digit as 3. Similarly, 804, if you look here, so 804 lies between 729 and 1000, that is between 9 cube and 10 cube, and we need to take the lower number, so this would be 9. So I can say that 93 cube is 804357, or cube root of 804357 is 93. The same method can be extended to find the cube root of 7-digit number. So here the 7-digit number given is 2924207. So we can apply the same method to find the cube root. So here 2924207. So again, if we take the 3 digits from the right hand side, this would be 207. And again here, the unit digit is 7. So I need to find the cube of which number contains the unit digit as 7. So again, this is 3 cube is 27. So the unit digit of the cube root of this number would be 3. Now again, if we try to take the rest of the numbers, in this case, this is a 4-digit number 2924. So now if you look in the table, 2924 lies between 2744 and 3375. That is between 14 cube and 15 cube, and the lower of this number is 14. So I can say that this would be 143. So that means cube of 143 is 2924207, or cube root of 2924207 is 143. So the same method can be extended to 8 digits or 9 digits as well. But again, generally in the competitive exams, they does not ask the cube root of 7, 8 or 9 digits. So if you know these many things, I think this would be sufficient to find the cube roots. Again, we need to remember the cubes of numbers till 20, and it will be more than sufficient to find the cube root of numbers given to us. Let us now try to find the cube root of these two numbers. I would request you all to pause this video for some time and try these two sums. We will see the answers in some time. I hope you guys were able to find the cube root of these two numbers. So let us try to start with the first one. So 13824. So we need to find the cube root of these two numbers. So we can try the factorization method to find the cube roots. Else we can also use the shortcut method. So let us try to use the shortcut method. So here the 3 digits from the right hand side is 824. So here the last digit is 4. So we need to check the cube of that number which contains the last digit as 4. So this is 64. So this is 4 cube. So we can say that the cube root of this number will contain the unit digit as 4. Now again 13, if you check here, so this 13 lies between 2 cube and 3 cube. So we need to write here as 2. So the cube root of 13824 is nothing but 24. Let us try to see the answer for the B part as well. So here we need to find the cube root of 6128487. Again, the 3 digits from the right hand side is 487. So here the unit digit is 487. So we need to see the cube of such number whose unit digit is 7. So if you look in that table, this is nothing but 3 ka cube. So this would be 3 here. And again, if you check 6128, so 6128 is nothing but lies between 5832 and 6859, that is between 18 cube and 19 cube. So here it would be 18. So simply we can say that the cube root of 6128487 is nothing but 183. So now I hope you guys would be able to find the cube root of any numbers given to you. But still, if you have any confusion, you can watch the video once again. And still, if you have any doubts, you can post your queries in the comment box. I'll try to answer each one of your queries. If you like my videos, then do subscribe my channel and share with your friends. I'll see you all in my next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing, and keep growing. Thank you.